Let's do something different for the new year. We're not going to show you all the RVs. This time, follow me to the factory to see what preparations have been made before the launch of the RV. In fact, it's my first time to go there, so let's look forward to it together. The New Year's first shot, of course, must be Livezone's Power RV, and the New Year's new arrival. Livezone RV has moved to a new factory. The standardized production line with floor track is on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, there are all the warehouses. This building is the cafeteria and dormitory, paint shop, auto, polishing shop. Looking at these, you will certainly realize it must be an established brand. It must be a big factory in order to rest assured that at least we will not worry about after buying a vehicle. The brand went out of business next year. Behind this door is the prototype workshop. You can see all the past prototype vehicles. Voila! Today we have invited the protagonist of our video, Mr. Liu, to explain to us what preparations have been made before the launch of an RV.
Okay, I am Mr. Liu from Livezone. Today, Mr. Liu is going to tell you about what we should do before the launch of an RV. Generally speaking, a product, first of all, we have to do a market survey, and then the project initiation, R&D design. The most important work is prototyping the product. So in the prototyping process, our key members are our technical research and development department, prototyping workshop, as well as our professional quality management team. Mainly, these three core teams carry out prototyping, R&D process demonstration of our new products. To ensure that this car before the product launch, before the official mass production, its structure and comprehensive performance meet the standards. I summarize 2 sentences, that is, no prototype, no standard, no prototype, no finished product. You can follow the camera to take a look at the cars behind me. Since the founding of the company, for every product we have, there is a prototype process and prototype products. This is our Wingle C4 prototype car. These two are our different trims of Power prototype cars. This is our single cab soft roof lifter, the Shanghai Power. So is it true that all factories have prototyping processes? That's not necessarily the case, but for Livezone, including our predecessor, Great Wall RV, we've had this process since we started producing RVs in 2000. The first pickup truck that we produced, which were called Great Wall RV at the time, were 20 years old, and because of the rigid connection, we firmly joined the body and the chassis together. Then when traveling on uneven surfaces, it ensures the integrity of the vehicle, so it is more stable and less prone to structural problems.
My friends, in 2000, think about how old you were then. This 2.4 turbo diesel is different from the kind of brisk sound that some petrol engines have when they start up. It creates a kind of heavy groan. Has it ever made me look forward to the next drive of it? Stepping on the gas pedal, you can feel that it's very light on the foot. You can feel that the whole process of acceleration is very smooth and continuous. Then we press a little deeper. Now you can feel the obvious torque release as the revs climb. The whole acceleration is also very powerful, and the flow of power is constant. There is also the Great Wall self-developed 9-speed automatic transmission. Honestly, I really cannot feel it. The process of shifting is very smooth. The front suspension is double wishbone, in the rear are leaf springs, or double, of course. Also, it has sport mode, standard mode, and eco mode, even when encountering off-road conditions such as mud and gravel. But it's also able to effectively filter out the vibration. The driver will not feel the impact of too many bumps. RVs with tough chassis in order for us to go farther. Sturdy camper to live more comfortable. And I've got a few more points of love for the Power.